Well, I said I'd show you if I was impressed, and I'm pretty impressed. Check this out, guys. So, normally when we get these electronics, everything is missing, right? It's just styrofoam, and I've never had a computer with this in it. So, they're not, they're just Pentium Xeons. I'm thinking about keeping this guy. What do you guys think? There was another computer up here, had a couple 1 gig memory cards in it, or RAM sticks. Maybe I'll just throw it together and keep it. I usually don't, they're usually not this nice when I come across them. Sorry if I'm stumbling around, guys. I'm pretty tired. Last few days I worked, let's see, I put in 11 hours, came home and got 3.5 hours sleep, got up yesterday, went and got this load, and then came home, took a 20-minute nap, and went back to work, put in another 11 hours, and just waking up, so a little bit tired. I'll be alright. So yeah, as I go through this, I'll make updates along the way. I'm thinking that's probably the last of the really cool stuff. I'm guessing that's just a P4 in there probably. But yeah, none of these were supposed to have hard drives and RAM. I found a little bit of RAM, not a lot. Might be able to do something with this printer, huh? Normally, everything I get is 10 or 12 years old. He doesn't look that old. And right off the bat, of course, I don't see a manufacturer date. It's probably in there. I'm just not seeing it. Alright, guys, I'm out here. Mike's gone.